10 incredible solar system facts that will blow your mind. The solar system may look peaceful from Earth, but beyond our atmosphere lies a place filled with violent storms, extreme temperatures, backward sunrises, hidden oceans, and worlds unlike anything we experience here. One planet has a day longer than its entire year. Another rotates almost completely on its side. And the largest planet is more massive than all the other planets combined. Welcome to Randoms, the stories you never knew. Here are 10 incredible facts about the solar system. Fact 1. The Sun contains almost everything. The Sun is not simply another large object in space. It contains approximately 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, every other planet, every moon, asteroid, comet, and dwarf planet share the tiny fraction that remains. The Sun's enormous gravity holds the entire solar system together. Without it, the planets would no longer remain in their familiar orbits. Fact 2. The solar system is 4.6 billion years old. Scientists believe our solar system formed approximately 4.6 billion years ago from an enormous spinning cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulled most of that material toward the center, where the Sun formed. The remaining material collided and gradually combined, eventually creating planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. That means Earth and everything on it were created from material with a history stretching back billions of years. Fact 3. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Earth completes one rotation in approximately 24 hours and one orbit around the Sun in about 365 days. Venus is completely different. It takes Venus approximately 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means one day on Venus lasts longer than one Venusian year. Venus also rotates in the opposite direction from most planets. From its surface, the Sun would appear to rise in the west and set in the east. Fact 4. Mercury is not the hottest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, but it is not the hottest. That title belongs to Venus. Mercury has almost no atmosphere capable of trapping heat. Its surface becomes extremely hot during the day, but extremely cold at night. Venus has a thick atmosphere rich in carbon dioxide. It traps heat through an intense greenhouse effect, making Venus hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. Fact 5. Jupiter is a true giant. Jupiter is more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. It is so large that approximately 1,000 Earths could fit inside it if Jupiter were hollow. Despite its enormous size, Jupiter rotates faster than any other planet. One day there lasts only about 10 hours. Its famous Great Red Spot is an enormous storm that has been observed for centuries. However, Jupiter never became massive enough to ignite nuclear fusion and become a star. Fact 6. Saturn is not the only planet with rings. Saturn has the brightest and most spectacular rings, but it is not the only ringed planet. Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune also have rings. They are simply darker and more difficult to observe. Saturn's rings consist of countless pieces of ice and rock. Some are as small as dust particles, while others are much larger. Although the rings stretch across an enormous distance, they are surprisingly thin compared with their width. Fact 7. Uranus rotates on its side. Most planets rotate with their axes standing somewhat upright. Uranus appears to roll around the Sun on its side. Its axis is tilted by approximately 98 degrees, possibly because of a massive collision early in the planet's history. 1 year on Uranus lasts about 84 Earth years. Because of its unusual tilt, Each pole can experience decades of sunlight, followed by decades of darkness. Fact 8. Neptune has extraordinary winds. Neptune is the most distant major planet from the Sun, but its atmosphere is anything but calm. Its winds can reach speeds greater than 2,000 kilometers per hour, making them some of the fastest winds recorded in the solar system. Scientists are still investigating how Neptune generates such extreme weather while receiving relatively little energy from the Sun. It is a dark, freezing world with an unexpectedly violent atmosphere. Fact 9. Some moons may hide oceans. Earth has one moon, but hundreds of moons have been confirmed throughout the solar system. Some of them may be more scientifically exciting than the planets they orbit. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is covered by a thick layer of ice. Scientists believe a huge saltwater ocean may exist beneath its frozen surface. That hidden ocean may contain approximately twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Because liquid water is an important ingredient for life, Europa is considered one of the most promising places to investigate whether habitable environments exist beyond Earth. Fact 10. The entire solar system is moving. Even when you feel completely still, you're moving at extraordinary speed. Earth rotates on its axis and travels around the Sun. At the same time, the Sun carries the entire solar system around the center of the Milky Way at hundreds of thousands of kilometers per hour. Despite that speed, one complete galactic orbit takes approximately 230 million years. The last time the solar system was in roughly the same position in its journey around the galaxy, dinosaurs were only beginning to appear on Earth. Every planet, moon, asteroid, spacecraft, and person is traveling together through the Milky Way. Our solar system is far stranger, larger, and more dynamic than it appears from Earth. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe to Randoms for more fascinating stories you never knew.